Then remove the bolster. All right, exhale, go down. Stretch out the left leg. Let's try. Lift the right hip just a little bit, leaning lightly forward. Take your shoulder around. Look for the hands. Inhale, prepare. And then exhale, fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's let that go. Now let's test it out a little bit. Open the knee. Take your right shoulder forward and reach around the back. See if it's accessible to bind again from here and lean forward. 1, use the shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up, drop the right hip, and then exhale, straighten the leg and twist to the left, dropping the head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look forward, bend, just for fun. Lean back, hold, straighten the leg. 1, steady. 2, 3, this is kind of intense. 4, and 5. Let it go. Exhale down. Bend your left knee. Let's try it on the left side.